Just a quick video. They say that the new bulbs don't work here. What I did is I replaced the bulb from the filament type bulb, and it didn't work. If you can look up there, I don't know if you can get the Don't do this with the power on. See how that bit there is squashed in. And if you look, compared to the filament bulb, where are you? See the end? Flat. Very flat. The filament bulb is has a big bit of a point on it. Now, hopefully, when we screw this back in and put the power on, let's put the power on by opening the door, and there you go. So, don't listen to people who say that the LED bulbs won't work. There's something about interference, but basically what happened is the normal filament bulb squashes the connector flat. You just lift the connector up, and there you go. Hope that helps. Cheers.